Quality begins before processing even starts.
Look at that shine, perfectly golden. Yeah, these are ready.
Freshly cleaned kernels move into climate-controlled stainless steel storage silos to preserve sweetness before processing.
Final check on the soak time. Perfect. We can begin the wet milling process now.
The fresh slurry passes through giant centrifugal separators that remove corn fiber from the liquid mixture. Powerful spinning equipment separates the heavy fiber.
Check the flow rate on the hydrocyclones. We need to maintain the separation efficiency.
Purity levels are stable, engineer. The system is running smoothly. Flow rates on the corn milk side are slightly elevated.
Adjusting the temperature now to compensate. The filtered corn milk enters giant blending tanks fitted with slow-moving agitators that create a perfectly uniform texture. The corn milk travels through towering stainless steel heat exchangers, where it is rapidly pasteurized at carefully controlled.
Are the temps holding steady after the vacuum stage?
Yes, perfectly smooth, well within parameters.
Silky smooth, no particle separation at all. The high-pressure valves worked perfectly.
The protein levels are dropping significantly after the second cyclonic stage. Purity is at 99.5% and holding steady.
The purified starch slurry enters enormous concentration tanks, where excess water is carefully removed.
Distillers. The concentrated starch enters towering flash drying systems, where streams of warm filtered air remove the bowls. The pellets melt into crystal clear liquid before being transformed into thousands of bottle preforms every minute. The torque on spindle 4 looks low.
Yeah, I just flagged it for adjustment.
The next stage begins with global shipping and international distribution.
The AI selected route Gamma for the Asia shipment. Confirmed. ETA remains unchanged.
Rail freight provides efficient, large-scale distribution. Another transport network joins the journey.
Tango Lima 9er, you are clear for pickup on stack 4.
Roger that. Commencing lift.
All ground personnel clear the area. Shipment secured, ready for departure.
The nutritional information looks good.
Yes, low sugar and fresh. Let's take one.
Plutes. Automated ingredient systems unload the starch directly into production silos. Skilled male Caucasian chefs and factory operators.
This is incredibly fresh. The flavor is so rich and natural.
It really is delicious.
Through innovation and precision, simple corn is transformed into globally essential products, bringing joy to families worldwide.
We use the chilled golden corn milk for all our smoothies and latte. It's incredibly creamy. The starch feed rate looks stable.
Yes, the texture consistency is exactly what we wanted.
Every batch begins with carefully measured ingredients. Cornstarch plays a vital role in modern baking.
I highly recommend this one for baking. It's much finer than the others.
Good to know. I'll grab a box to try.
This soup is perfect, dear.
The corn milk makes the cereal so creamy.
The AI quality inspection is consistently at 99%.
Yes, and the energy efficiency is stable at 85%. This is a huge improvement.